Peace and blessings to all my emperors and empresses. To anybody that's new here to the channel, welcome. Thank you so much. I've been seeing my numbers going up, and I appreciate you all. Make sure that um, if you're subscribed, go ahead and hit the notification bell so that you can see any videos that I upload, which I've been trying to do quite frequently. And I have a live chat on Sundays at 4 p.m. Central Savings Time. I'm just coming in today because I want to really talk to not just my family that has been growing their hair for a long time, and they already understand the process, and they know that it's not an overnight thing and it takes time. I have some people on here that have been growing their hair for well over 20 years, or anywhere from 15 to 20 years, and some people that maybe 5 or so, but it's like reaching that 1 year, 1 year, starting off at that 2 months. It's a lot, for a lot of people to have to deal with the different stages that your hair goes through. But I, for one, I enjoyed every stage that my hair went through. Um, Never felt like I had to cover it up. Never felt like I had to appease anybody. Never felt like, um, worried about the negativity or whatever that came along with it, while you were developing your Natty dreadlocks. However, if you are new and you are struggling with this thing, worried about what products to use, worrying about, your job, worrying about covering up your hair because you don't like the stage that you're in, I'm here to tell you that it gets better. It definitely gets better. Um, you're not even fully locked. You're probably budding if you're within the first 3 months, and sometimes even longer than that. You're budding. Um, it doesn't take any products really besides natural products that you may have already in your refrigerator. But I just want to, what can I say, encourage you to embrace the journey, because if you're not embracing the journey and you're sitting back comparing your hair to everybody else's, or saying you want your hair to look like mine, or you can't wait till you get to this length, or you naming other people who, whose hair you like, and you're ready to be there, just know that your journey is your journey. You have to stand tall in your journey. And no, our hair is not going to look alike. It's not, and that's the uniqueness in the whole thing. And I say it all the time. It's very unique for each one of us. And that's why our journeys are all different. I chose, after I don't know how many years, I went from, you know, lightly twisting to combining and freeforming. Um, I don't remember how long ago it was. I don't remember when I started combining, and I don't remember. I know that I had been documenting a lot of this stuff on YouTube, but I don't remember how long it took for it to combine, because I decided that I wanted thicker locks, because once I began to freeform, I wanted to make sure that my dreadlocks were thick like a lion. I just like the look. I'm pretty much a rebel, to be honest. If anybody has been watching my channel for a long time, I am. And I go against the grain. I live in Chicago. I don't have a lot of people that I see that's rocking, their hair like mine. Or maybe I'm just not going to the right places. And the thing is, I really don't go anywhere at all. But, just like to my local grocery store or whatever, and you know, you only see so many people with Nazi dreadlocks when you go to limited places. But I want to encourage you to continue on your journey. If you're feeling stagnant, if you feel like your hair is not doing anything, if you're wanting it to start showing differences and growing faster or whatever. There is no miracle cure for that. Just like there's no miracle cure for anxiety or panic attacks that I suffer from. However, you know, after about a year or so, you will see the difference, and you would know that it doesn't require a lot of products. It doesn't require a whole lot of work. And for me, I learned later on down the line that I didn't have to use any type of cleansing agents or anything for my hair because I wasn't putting a lot of products into my hair. And it's those things, the products that you use for your hair, the twist or whatever, and shampoos and conditioner, which definitely you shouldn't use certain conditioners. I've never used conditioner since I've been growing my Nazis, and they're quite healthy. And it's because I keep myself moisturized, um, my insides moisturized with water. So yeah, it's difficult, but stay strong. Stay bold. Be bold. Don't worry about what other people are thinking or saying. If it's a job related issue, that's something I really just it's hard for me to relate to because I don't work for anybody. I've been blessed, to have been a hairstylist for a very long time and also a nail tech, and then also I've been designing candles for 20 years. And I've never had to worry about anybody saying anything about my hair, period. So that's the blessing in that for me. So if it's a job related thing, there, like I said, there's cover ups that you can use. There's full cover ups. I think I have one right here, the King J cover up that you can use. Um, but I never did any of that. I never really covered up my hair besides going to bed at night. And back then I was using a satin pillowcase. Um, but out in public, could care less about what people were thinking about how my hair looked. And at times my hair was standing straight up on top of my head. At times, people wanted to reach out and touch my hair because they were trying to figure out, well, wow, she has this platinum blonde on the ends of her hair, or from the middle to the ends of her hair. What exactly is she doing? Is she twisting? Is she becoming a dreadlock? What's going on? Don't worry about that. Just stay secure within yourself and know that your journey is your journey. And by the time you reach like 10, 15, 20 years, like most of the people that are subscribed to this channel, is that you could care less really about the frizz. I'm a freeform dread, which means that I don't twist, I don't manipulate my hair at all. I massage my scalp all the time, and I also use minimum products. And when I say products, I'm not talking about products that you buy from uh, the beauty supply store. I'm talking about stuff I can go to the grocery store and get, like fresh aloe plants and stuff like that, um, which doesn't cause any type of buildup, which doesn't cause any type of chemical type smell or whatever. So when you wash your hair, um, you don't have to worry about it smelling a certain kind of way. And since I've been water rinsing only, my hair dries so much faster, it's so much fluffier, it feels so much better. And I've been doing that for a while now. And I'm glad to see that a lot of people have taken on that and, not really challenged it, but just tried it. And once you try it, you'll be like, wow, okay, cool. This is all right. You have to have a very, very strong mind and be very secure within yourself, especially if you're going to be a freeform dread. You really need to, just build yourself up mentally, physically, spiritually, all of that, just to deal with some of the negativity that you may experience. I haven't personally dealt with a lot. I think the most that I've dealt with is I get sick and tired of people saying, that's not all her hair. But guess what? I really don't care. And if you care about the stuff that people say to you or say about you or whatever, or your family members, your friends, and all of them asking you, when are you going to change your style? When are you going to cut that hair off? Eliminate. Sometimes you have to move away from some of those people. Sometimes you have to just stand fast on what it is that you want to do and just eliminate, any type of negativity. Like, this is a negative free zone on my channel. Um, Let it be a negative free zone in your head, and know that growing out natural hair is the most beautiful thing that you could do. And it's going to take time. It's going to take patience. It's going to take, eating right. It's going to take drinking plenty of water. It's going to take that. And sometimes if you're the type of person, because people are like, I need a moisturizer. I need some type of moisture, for my hair. Well, moisture comes from within. If you're moisturizing your body with water, then your hair, it's going to come out through your hair. It's going to come out through your skin. It's going to come out through your nails, all of that. And I say this all the time, but again, I'm talking to a lot of new people that may be struggling. So if you're struggling with this process, just know that it gets better, and I want you to enjoy every part of your journey and just relax. Now, what I want to do is say, to any of my people that are here that have gone through that are over that stage, that's in the mature stage where your hair is just, growing or whatever, and you're not really worried about it locking, or, you know, like this. I mean, when you get like this, and that it's just your roots or whatever, which I love my gray hair. Um, I want you to comment down below and encourage some of our newer subscribers and let them know, that it's a process and you will get through it. You will definitely get through it. Um, what else can I say? Minimum products, eating healthy, meaning no fast foods, um, stimulating your scalp, massaging your scalp thoroughly with essential oils. Um, Did I say putting water in your body? I'm not sure if I said that. Definitely putting water in your body. And if you don't like the taste of water, you can. Did I say this already? Um, they have bottles where you can put like fruit and stuff inside of, and it doesn't like actually have like anything that comes out to. And I have a bottle in the other room that comes out into your water. You could just drink it and the fruit still stays in, or the lemons, the limes, cucumbers, whatever. It stays in this little container, and you can still taste it, and it makes it taste better. So if you're drinking my thing is drink up to a gallon of water a day. If you can't do a gallon, try starting off with a half a gallon. Really, you're supposed to drink half of your body weight in ounces. So for me, I probably should be drinking a whole lot more than a gallon. But I just wanted to just step in for a minute and encourage you all to continue on the journey. Don't stress. Don't freak out, and for the most part, with me being mostly a freeform channel, but I'm good with people who are not freeform, and I'm good with people with just natural hair and all of that. But you know, just take it easy on yourself. Just don't worry. Just don't stress. If you're stressing, and if you like, somebody asked me the other day, what do I do if somebody who started my Natty Dreadlocks, and I forgot the name, otherwise I would mention it. What do you do if the person who started your Natties had bad energy, or whatever? And I never suggest cutting your hair. I always say that you can sage your hair out. Cutting your hair is not gonna knock off the negativity that's in there. It's in your mind. I mean, basically, the negativity resumes and it resonates in your mind. So if you know that you could sage your hair out and all of that, yes, our hair holds energy, no doubt. But we have sage, we have different things that we could do to, make sure that we don't have to cut our hair because we just got a divorce. We don't have to cut our hair because a parent passed away, or we don't have to cut our hair because we had a bad experience with a lactician. Um, I don't know. I just want to encourage you to stay strong and continue on, and to know that I'm here for you. If you have any questions, make sure you check the description box. I have Messenger through Facebook. You can contact me there. You can contact me via Snapchat. You can contact me. You can see pictures, a lot of pictures on Instagram. All this stuff is located in the box, the description box. Thumbs up the video if you get a chance. Any of my more matured uh, emperors and empresses, kings and queens, whatever you want to call us. I say emperors and empresses, but some people still choose to say kings and queens. Um, Comment down below. Let's get some of these people, like excited about being on this journey, so that they won't quit and they will continue to live and be free. Thank you once again. Anybody that watched the Mother's Day video that I had up on Sunday, thank you for being in the chat room. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for welcoming my mom. She actually wants to do it again one day soon. She enjoyed it that much. If you didn't get a chance to watch the video, I'll link it at the end of the screen. And, just if you have a journey that you would like to talk about to encourage others, comment down below. Comment down below. Thumbs up the video. And make sure that you're subscribed. And also make sure you hit that notification bell for when I'll be uploading a new video.